When you're not home, you don't know what's going on or who could be outside. Well, now you can see in and around your home when you're not there with the all-new IC360 from High Street TV. It's the installation-free smart camera system that lets you keep an eye on your home from your phone at any time, wherever you are. With IC, you see. It's as easy as replacing a light bulb, and there are no power cables to hide, no internet cables to run across your room, and no batteries to replace. It features an incredibly easy-to-use, user-friendly mobile app for a seamless plug and play. And it gets even better. You can add as many cameras as you need over a variety of different networks. It's perfect for your home, office, tool shed, garage, and even watching your car. It's also an ideal way to keep an eye on your loved ones.
Hi, sweetheart. I see you're up from your nap.
IC360 features motion detection technology to help you keep an eye around your home, even when you're not there.
Can I help you?
The smart app will even notify you when it detects motion, so you will always know what's going on in and around your home. Its HD camera with infrared night vision and motion sensor lights provide a clear picture at any time of day or night. And the two-way microphone lets you talk and hear loud and clear.
Hey there.
Hey.
I'll be right out.
IC360 gives you a complete view of any room with a 360-degree rotating base and 180-degree tilting camera. It offers memory card support to store up to a week of footage too. Keep an eye on your home or office at any time with IC360, the smart camera system that's as easy as replacing a light bulb. Order yours today